Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create a beautiful Instagram Facebook post on Canva. So on multiple niches. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a Facebook post designed for love quotes. Love quotes are now very popular and trending on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. So you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can target the offline market, or you can go to google.com and search websites according to love quotes and reach them and ask them that you can maintain their social media presence or social Facebook presence. They will surely hire you. So let's go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software tool available online, and it is very handy and easy to use. It is easy to learn. If you want to know complete about canva.com, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload the complete playlist on Canva designing course. After watching the course, you will surely know everything about Canva. So let's get started. I click on create a design. Here I search Facebook post. So I click on this. So we made from scratch, we do not use any template. So I click on this, and after that wait a second, after that we choose red color because it represents love, and we will go to google.com and here we search love quotes, and let's see. Love you yesterday, love you still. Yeah, this quote is great for love quotes. So I copy this course and I go back to Canva. I click on element and here I search quote box, and it provides us some amazing, yeah, it's look great. Place it here. It's look good, and here I paste my quote. But I have to change the color plus change the font. Leaks button, it's good font. Yeah, it's look good. Yeah, so this is a simple code post and it's look good. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.